Hello, dear friends. Friends, have you ever thought about the word self realization? We hear this word so much, especially nowadays. People are becoming more and more aware about spiritual development, self realization. What a wonderful word. Why? Because it means what actually self realization is. See, it is you only. Aham Brahmasmi, our Vedas, all the four Vedas, they declare you are that. But it doesn't just depend on your belief. No. Realization. So you don't have to achieve anything. You don't have to go anywhere. You have to realize. But it's not that simple. Now, why it is not simple? My aim of this video today is to make you aware about certain things which not many people will tell you. Many people who are following the path of self-realization, they are truth seekers, they want to develop spiritually, and they want to have self-realization. Many of them, they are searching, they keep searching for a guru, mentor, they never find. Searching for what method of yoga, there are so many techniques. What will help me to have self-realization, and so on. But there are a couple of things which are preventing you from proceeding on this path. See, I tell you from my own experience, self-realization can be in a moment. Self-realization may take 4 yugas for you to incarnate again and again. It may take so long, millions of years of earth reincarnation. Reincarnations in different zodiac signs, from Aries to Pisces, sometimes as a male, sometimes as a female, in different life conditions, but still you may not get self-realization. But it can be momentary even. You can achieve it in a couple of weeks, couple of months, or at least in your present lifetime. What is preventing you? Very few people realize that. There are some false layers in which a person has wrapped himself or herself. So most people, they have wrapped themselves so tightly in certain false layers, very thick layers. So before they can even take the first step on the path of self-realization, they have to get rid of those false layers. And let me tell you, there can be many layers, but 2 very prominent layers which I find by observing people. There are very thick 2 layers. The first layer is that of religion. I am a Hindu, I am a Muslim, I am a Christian. Only I am allowed to go to heaven. So many beliefs which do not allow that person to come out of it. Religion is not bad. Organized religion, Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianity, Muslim, Mohammedan, no religion is bad. But only if you use your common sense and you realize that the religion in which you are born is important for you to follow, because that religion is meant to keep you on a certain track, to give you understanding that you have to follow certain principles, certain guidelines in order to evolve. But people don't care about those things. They take things in a very rigid way. I'm a Hindu, who are you? I'm the best. I'm Muslim, I'm the best. I'm Christian, I'm the best, because only I will go to heaven, not you. Don't take me wrong. I'm not blaming anyone in particular, but I'm trying to tell you that this is a very thick layer in which most of the people have wrapped themselves. They need to come out of it. Respect others' religions, right? You adhere to your religion. You have to, you must. Nobody can stop you. If you are a Muslim, recite Quran 5 times a day. If you are a true Muslim, if you are a Hindu, go to temples. Okay, fine. Christian, go to church. But why hate those who are not belonging to your religion? There can be wrong interpretations of certain scriptures, but everyone has intellect and must see beyond that false layer created by many people, a curtain of hatred towards others, mostly done by politicians in order to have certain vote banks. But let us not go into that. So the very first layer in which you may have wrapped yourself is that of religion. Religion, taking it in a narrow sense and feeling that only your religion is the best, and hate people of other religions. You have to come out of this if you are a truth seeker, if you want self-realization. Then the next layer, which is again very thick for many people, unable to come out of it, that is of status. I am a wealthy person. Oh, I am a millionaire, billionaire. Millionaire even is nothing these days. Billionaire, I am a billionaire. Okay, nothing wrong with that. See, money is extra money. Abundance of money, wealth, is given by nature, just to see what you do with it. There's nothing wrong in that. Take example of King Janak. It's a very interesting story. You must know that. He was a king, had everything, all the comforts, all the wealth, possessions which one can have on this earth. Still, he was seeking self-realization because he was not attached to the material things. So, use your wealth for your comforts, okay, fine, but share with others if you have abundance, or if you have more than required just for yourself. But at least do not be in a false notion that you are superior, you are better than other people, better than poor people. and treat poor people as animals. No. So it is again a very thick layer of status, false values. Right? So, my dear friends, if you are seeking self-realization and you have put your step on this path and you are struggling, you are finding it many more obstacles, then it could be the false values, the false layers in which you have wrapped yourself and you are unable to come out of it. You have to. See, Bible says, I don't remember the exact verse, but it says, in order to enter the kingdom of God, you have to be like a child. What does it mean? Children, they have no value for status. They love each other. A child, small child of a wealthy family, doesn't mind playing with poor children. Doesn't care about that. So you have to be like that, innocent, loving all. Only then you will have help of the divine forces. They are always ready to help you. They want. See, this is the only aim of life. Self-development, evolution, learning, so that you come out of the narrow shell in which you have kept yourself for many lives. Nature wants you to come out of that. So self-realization is not difficult. But first of all, be like a child. In your mind, love every person. Don't mind what religion the person is. Okay? I hope you like this video. This will help you. This may help you. Well, I don't know. This may help you, because not many people are drawing attention towards these things, and people on the path of self-realization, they find many obstacles. Could be due to these reasons. Thank you for watching.